Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. 2024 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS. Really a nice interior. I love the floor plan. Let's just show you the pass-through storage real quick. Docking station, docking station on the other side of the pass-through storage. It does have the leveling. You can see in the top corner there. Single slide on this side. We're going to get inside to show you the floor plan. This RV is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. There's a link below for new, used, service and parts. So we have a dining, and this bench also flips up and you can have storage. Great place to put games or blankets. Theater seating. You can see the controls right there for the theater seating. We also have, let me put these where they belong. Great place for the remotes right there in the armrest. 3 cabinets above, 4 cabinets over here. Nice flat screen TV. We also have the fireplace, and then you can see the JBL stereo, and then cabinets on that flank it on the left and the right. Really a nice oven I want to show you. First, I want to show you the pantry. And pantry is a big deal with a lot of folks, and that's a nice one. We have a center island with a nice drying rack, as well as the pull-down faucet. But look at that goodness. Really a nice looking oven. We have a 3-burner cooktop on the top. Nice deep oven. You can see your 3 racks, and then very nice, great, I guess that's a cast aluminum, really a nice feature. Microwave oven. We have the refrigerator and freezer with the French doors, the strap that closes it and keeps it closed so you don't have a yard sale. Your planning center, cabinets above. We go upstairs. So we have a pass-through bathroom. What I mean by that is you can access it right there. You can see. You can access it from the main bedroom and the hallway. Very deep medicine cabinet here. And then we have an additional light above, and you can also set that up as a motion sensor. Nice sink, and then additional corner cabinet. Not very deep, but it's perfect for small bottles, you know, vitamins, minerals, medicine. Then we have a bank of 2 cabinets here. You can take the shelves out and have hang-up clothes, and then we have 2 drawers that open up, very deep drawers. Then we have 2 additional drawers on this area here that open up very deep, so wide and deep. 5 cabinets across, 2 additional cabinets on the flank of the bed. When we lift up the bed, look at the amount of storage there. Not very deep, but that's the pass-through storage, but it is wide, so plenty of storage space underneath the bed. Plug in the ceiling there, and then there's an additional one over here, as well as your hookup for your TV, and then that's a solid back there for a flat screen TV should you decide to go that way. We'll head down the hallway again. So that's the 2024 Grand Design 303 LDS. Very nice floor plan. And I just wanted to show one more pass of all the kitchen and the family area. So very nice floor plan. I like it a lot. I hope you do as well. Any comments, questions, leave them below. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you again for watching.